Hello friends, welcome to DevOps tutorial, and in this video lecture we will learn Docker Swarm node availability. So there are three types of state present in the Docker nodes. The first state is active state, the second is pause, and the third one is the drain state. Suppose if the node state is active, means that node is ready to accept all the new tasks from the master or manager nodes. The second is pause. If any node availability pause means that node is not ready to accept any task from the master or manager node. The last is drain node. Sometime if you have let's take example, sometime you have any planned maintenance activity for that node, so you can set that node as a drain state. So what happen in the drain state, that node is not taking any new task from the master or manager node, and all the containers are present in that drain node will be transferred into the available node that can be done by the manager. So this is the types of all the state of the node. And if you want to change the state, we have the command is docker node update hyphen availability pause to change the state from active to pause. And if you want to change the state from active to drain, we have the command is docker node update hyphen availability equal to drain. So let's go to the practical session and learn how we can set. We are in the terminal now, and to start the availability, first we have to create a docker swarm. So to initialize the docker swarm, we have command is docker swarm init. Okay, so this command will be initialize the docker swarm, and the when we execute this command, that in that node become as a manager. Okay, and it will give the token to add a worker node. So what we will do, we will copy this token and paste into that node. So before doing that one, first we will do the create a visualizer. So this visualizer is a application that we can visible online all the docker nodes and their containers. So for that one we have to execute the command. So we have copy that command and execute. So it will create a service. That service is for the visualizer. So we can we can see all the nodes and how many containers are present in that node. Okay, so once the service will up, we can go to our IP address and the port number 8080, and we can see the state of node. So this service will take a few minutes. Okay, it's going to ready. Okay, so the service is ready. Let's go to the IP address, and we can see here in 8080. Okay, so we can see here there is only node is available, and that is manager. Okay, so let's create a worker node. So if you want to create a worker node, we have command is docker swarm join hyphen token, and if you want to create the token for worker, so this is the command, and we get the token. So that token we have to paste in the node. So we can see here this node is joined as a worker. So let's go to the visualizer, and we can see here a worker node is added, and there is no container running in that node. Again we have to go to the another node and paste this command. So we can see here there's a two worker are added, this worker 1 and this is worker 2, and this is the manager. So again go to the visualizer, and we can see here there's a two worker and one is manager. Okay, so if you want to see the how many nodes is there in the command line, we have docker node ls. So this command will give the information of all the nodes and their availability. So we have the three nodes, and one is manager and two is worker, and all the availability is active. Okay, so let's create a one service. Okay, so docker service create hyphen hyphen name and is a web service, and hyphen p for export the port, it's 9090 is 80, and the image name is nginx. Okay, so and we have to create a replicas also. So what we will do here, hyphen hyphen replicas equal to 4. So once we execute this command, a 4 replicas will be created, and we can see there that containers in which node they have deployed. So for to check the service, docker service ls list of the service, and if you want to check any particular service, so docker service ps and the name of service. So we can see here there is a 4 instances of that service are running, and there is a different nodes. So two containers are running in 243 and one containers are running in the 72 nodes, and one container is running on 171. Okay, so we can see in visualizer also. See, there are the 4 service we have created. One is running on manager, and 2 is running on this worker node, and one is running on that worker node. Okay, so now we have to make one worker node as a pause state. So for that one, we have command is, first we have to list of node docker node ls. Okay, now we have to make this node as a pause state. So we have command is docker node update, and we will host name, copy this host name or id, hyphen hyphen availability equal to okay. So once we execute this command, this node will become in a pause state. So let's check docker node ls. So we can see here this node is becoming pause state. So let's create one more service. Okay, or we will do one thing, we will upgrade that service and create 2 more replicas. Okay, so pause means that this node will not take any more tasks from the manager. Okay, so docker service. Okay, let's create a one more service. Create hyphen name. The name of service is Alpine. Okay, and we have to task perform in that is, the name of image is Alpine, and the task is ping www.google.com, and we have to create replicas also. 3. Okay, so once we create this service, okay, so we can go to the visualizer, and we can see here we make this worker as a pause state. Okay, so this worker will not take any task from the manager. So we can see here there's a 3 Alpine image is deployed in this 2 container, and one is in this container. Okay, so because of this container in the pause state, so there is no task will be taken by this container. Okay, so let's clear this. Now again we are making this container as a active. So docker node ls. Okay, so the same command we have to follow is docker node update hyphen hyphen availability equal to active and provide the node id. So node become active, docker node ls. Okay, so if we become any node is active from the pause state, it not means that it will shift that container into their state. Okay, that is not possible. Okay, so now the next task is create a node in a drain state. So docker node ls. So we are making this node into the drain state. So the we have command is docker node update hyphen hyphen availability equal to drain, and we have to provide the ID. So once we create any node in the drain state, we can see here all the services present in that node will be shifting to the another node. We can see here all the services are moved into that worker 2 and manager. See, okay, so docker node ls, and we can see here the state of node is drain. So thank you guys. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel for more upcoming videos.